Day one, I've removed the front, the bonnet, the grille, the lights, the radiator, the guards. I've found no rust. Well, I say no rust. Where the water bottle was, there's a little bit behind where the water bottle was, but I can easily cut that out and weld it up. Tomorrow this engine will be coming out and the gearbox, the front will be coming off and the K-frame. I'll be sandblasting the K-frame over the next couple of days and painting it all back up. I'll put some new rubbers back on it and connect it back up to the front end. There's absolutely no rust in the dog leg. It's mud and dirt you can see there. There's no rust in the sills at all. Not underneath. Not anywhere. It's good all the way along. There's a little bit of rust in the K-frame over here. I don't think you can see it. There it is, under there. A little bit of rust just there. And I will cut that out. And I have replacement sections for it. The other side's just as good. There's no rust in the bottom of the dog leg or in the sill. It's actually very, very clean. It's an excellent base to start with because it really means that it's going to reduce the amount of work that I have to do because it's pretty straight and it's virtually rust free. Very, very little rust in it. There is some rust in the back. It's in the boot. But not where you'd expect it to go. See, down there is perfect. And over here, if we can just move that out of the way, you'll see that in the wheel well too, there's no rust. There's no rust even down in the corner. The rust is actually just on this little edge here, on the corner of the boot. And I've just sat it in here, but I've got to cut the other piece out obviously. I have a complete replacement section. I'm going to replace the whole panel. It's just easier to replace the whole panel, and that way we know that there's going to be no dramas with it. It's quite a straight old girl. It has a little bit of, you know, paint's a little bit bad here and there, but if that's the worst of it, it's pretty good. All right, update 2 tomorrow.